来看苹果秋天的发表会，伫台湾时间今仔透早举行。新手机 iPhone 15有愈好的相机镜头哦，处理器的速度嘛愈紧，嘛是使用统一规格 Type-C 充电，价效嘛是有起。也毋过有分析师是认为讲，以规格甲服务来看，算讲起了无介济。
苹果秋季发表前受人注目之一 ，iPhone 15手机全面结合 USB-C 的接头，翕相镜头用深度型处理器，以光子延伸控制光线，提高图像的品质，甲超悬解析度的图像结合，还佫有动态倒激性，光度佫再升级。
iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, now with Dynamic Island, an incredible camera system featuring a 48 megapixel main camera and the power of A16 Bionic in a gorgeous new design. And iPhone 15 Pro in titanium with the new A17 Pro, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone.
投资人明显对新发表的产品无真深的印象。这个发表会除了公布新的一代 Apple Watch 以外，嘛无会当拗的手机新的 iPad 甲 Mac 电脑。迄天苹果的股价是落尾2%。iPhone 15四种型号伫科技上并无明显进步，不过上悬卡的 iPhone 15 Pro Max 是增加充分的功能。 价效比去年加100块的美金，起9%。一支手机的价效是1200块的美金，等于是台票38500。
I think there were lots of worries that Apple would raise prices $100 or $200 on the phones, and we didn't see that. We saw that the prices remained the same. Yet there were some significant technology improvements year over year. I think the biggest upgrades were two things. One, the new chip, which allows for a better camera ISP and better camera functionality. For Apple to now have one charger across all of its product lines.
苹果公司今年连续3季销售额甲去年同期来比有较少，嘛当咧想办法改善这款的情形。从去年7月中以来，股价落尾10%。公司的市值头一届就超过今年热人达到3兆美金的时阵。公司新闻黄文玲编译。